Poetic techniques.
Number 1 is ambiguity.
A word, statement, or a situation with two or more possible meanings is said to be ambiguous. A poet may consciously join together incompatible words to disrupt the reader's expectation of meaning. Or, the ambiguity may be less deliberate, steered more by the poet's attempts to express something ineffable.
Number 2 is anachronism.
Someone or something placed in an inappropriate period of time. Shakespeare's placing of a clock in Julius Caesar is an anachronism, because clocks had not yet been invented in the period when the play is set.
Number 3 is allegory.
An extended metaphor in which the characters, places, and objects in a narrative carry figurative meaning. Often an allegory's meaning is religious, moral, or historical in nature.
Number 4 is allusion.
A brief, intentional reference to a historical, mythic, or literary person, place, event, or a movement.
Number 5 is archetype.
A basic model from which copies are made. A prototype. Archetypical themes include birth, death, sibling rivalry, and the individual versus society. Archetypes may also be images or characters, such as the hero, the lover, the wanderer, or the matriarch.
Number 6 is antithesis.
Contrasting or combining to terms, phrases, or clauses with opposite meanings.
Number 7 is apostrophe.
An address to a dead or absent person, or personification as if he or she were present.
Number 8 is invocation.
An address to a deity or a muse that often takes the form of a request for help in composing the poem at hand. Invocations can occur at the beginning of the poem or start of a new canto. They are considered conventions of the epic form and are a type of apostrophe.
Number 9 is metonymy.
A figure of speech in which a related term 15 substituted for the word itself. Often the substitution is based on a material, causal, or a conceptual relation between things. For example, the British monarchy is often referred to as the crown.
Number 10 is mimesis.
Greek for imitation. In aesthetic theory, mimesis can also connote representation, and has typically meant the reproduction of an external reality, such as nature, through artistic expression. For Aristotle, mimesis in part both recreates the objects of reality and improves them. IT provides humans with a special kind of symbolic order.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.